In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in and log out of Hostinger. To get started, open the Hostinger website in your preferred web browser. Make sure you are on the official site before entering any account details, especially if you are signing in from a new device or public network. This helps keep your accounts secure and ensures you are accessing the correct platform. Once the website has loaded, look for the login option, which is typically located near the top of the page. Click on it to begin the sign-in process. At this stage, Hostinger will show you the available login methods. Depending on your account setup, you may be able to sign in using your email and password or another supported authentication option. Choose the login method that matches how your account was created or how you normally access it. After selecting your preferred login method, enter your details carefully and continue through the prompts. If your account uses any additional verification, such as a security code or confirmation step, complete that as well. Once everything is entered correctly, you will be taken into your Hostinger account dashboard. This is where you can manage your hosting, websites, domains, and other account settings. If your goal is simply to access the account, that is all you need to do. Just remember that if you are using a shared or public computer, it is a good idea not to save your login information in the browser. When you are ready to log out, the process is very simple. While you are inside your Hostinger account, find your profile section. This is usually represented by a profile icon or account menu. Click on your profile to open the account options. From the menu that appears, click the Log Out option. As soon as you do that, you will be signed out of your Hostinger account. This is an important final step, especially if you are using someone else's device or a computer in a public place, because it helps protect your account from unauthorized access. And that's it. Logging into Hostinger only takes a moment once you know where to look, and logging out is just as quick. Follow these same steps anytime you need to access your account securely, and then sign out when you're done.